Hello friends, welcome back to channel. As you know, we are having two servers. One is daily study and one is Jenkins. This server IP is 105 and 107 is assigned to this, and another server, this fella, is having IPR is 106. Okay, what we'll do, we'll copy this. Then from this server we'll try to log in, and username I'm using Amit @ and the IP address of that server. Yes, is asking a password, so I will enter the password and I am able to log in. See, hostname get changed, and if you see IPR also 106. Let me log out. Now every time I log in, I have to set the password. If I want to do passwordless authentication, this doesn't mean that we are removing the password. No, we are generating a key. The key based authentication means that two key pair will get generated, and one will be saved on this server and the will save on a 106 server. Accordingly, if key pair match, then only authentication will happen. Okay, now let's see. For generating key, we are having command ssh-keygen. So showing the location, enter file in which it will save. Okay, by default it will save root.sh. correct. Passphrase we are not entering. Passphrase means using at the time you use this key, you have to enter the password for this key. So I don't want that thing. No. Okay. Now what is showing? Your identifier has been generated. ID RSA. Your public key has been saved in RSA _ pub. So this public key should be on a server, and a private key should be on this server. What I am meaning, this private key will be saved on daily study server and public key will push to our Jenkins server. So there are two methods. First we'll see the simple method. So what is happening here? Like I am an object of Amit. Okay. See, it is not having the .sh directory. Okay. It will do ssh copy ID and the IP address of this server. So what we'll do, we'll copy the IP address. Username Amit @ and the IP address of that server. Okay. This time we have to pass the password for Amit user. Done. Now what he's saying, now trying to log in into machine sh and this and check, make sure that only the key you wanted were added. So before doing that, we'll go to this server and we'll see the changes. ls-l, ls-la. You see, one folder got generated .sh, will go inside .ssh and you will see authorized key. If you do cat to authorized key, it will show you this thing. So this is the public IP for daily study server. You are able to see host name. Now we'll try to do ssh Amit 106. See, no password required, nothing, just keys on this server and public keys on server. Both key are getting matched, then only it's allowing. If you want to see, we have already discussed how to set the verbose mode. So we'll go to verbose mode. So what is showing here? Debugging mode. Authentication succeed, public key. Say next authentication method public key, offering RSA public key. Okay, so this public key is getting checked on the server. Accordingly, it's generating. So the key is getting matched from this to that. So the key from the daily study server private key is getting matched with the virtual box Jenkins server public key. If key pair match, then only this will happen. Now key pair are on both the side. We are having private key on this server and public key on this server. But let me show you one more thing. This is the 105 server. So if I do SSH from this server, it will not happen because it will prompt a password. Now you will see we have shared the public and private key of both the servers. Why it is not happening? See, public key is on this server, means from this to this server connection established, but not in a reverse manner. If you want to establish a connection from 106 to 105, you have to generate a key. Now we'll generate a key. Let's have an LA. So we'll become a root user, okay, and we'll try to access 105 server using a root user. Yes, password of root user. It's happening with password. Let me log out. Now we'll generate a SH key on this server, ssh-keygen. Okay, let it save here. Let's have an LA cd.ssh. See, this file got generated. We are having private key which will be on this server only. Okay, and we will be having idrset.pub, that is public key. Okay, so earlier we did the SH copy ID, but this time we will not do anything. We'll just copy this, and where we have to paste it, the user.ssh .sh, and here we have to create authorized key. Here you can see ls-la/home Amit user.ssh authorized key. See, so we'll copy this name, authorize_key, and the same file we'll create here. Okay, and let me copy this public key to this server. Now let's see this is happening or not. ssh-05. See, so why I have shown you the different method. Let's go to the MS Paint. Okay, so we are in server 1 and server 2 here. Okay, when we generate a key on this server, okay, and we'll generate a key on this server also. So what is happening? It was the size 12. Okay, on this server we are generating key ID underscore RSA and second key ID underscore RSA dot pub. Okay, fail. These key are getting generated here. Correct? Copy this and paste it here. Here also these two keys are getting generated. When we are doing the SH copy ID, so IDRSS pub is getting saved on this server. Public key will move to the destination server, and when we are doing for this public key is getting saved here, and this key will get saved in user home directory /home/ whatever user /ssh, and under sh one file will be there, authorize_keys. Okay, this is the file name where this public key is getting saved on both the server in a reverse manner. And if you are having this key pair, then only this key will work for you, that will allow to log in to that server. So you can move this key either using ID ssh-copy ID command, or either you can copy and paste under this file. Okay, why I'm saying this thing? If interview will ask you how to generate a SH key and how to push it, so if you are saying ssh-keygen, I will generate a public and private key, and using SH copy ID I will push that public IP to the destination server. That answer is correct. But if you are having a jump server, like one key will work for multiple server, I cannot generate n number of key for, like I am having in my environment 20,000 server, so I cannot generate 20,000 keys. So what I will do, I will create a key pair, and this public key I will push to all the 20,000 servers. So my server will become jump server. So from this server, if I do any server SH, it will be key based. Okay, passwordless. So in that case, what your answer should be, I will generate a key using ssh-keygen, and I will save the private key on the server, and public key I will copy, and on all the destination server where I want key-based authentication. So under home user.sh authentication keys and authorize underscore key file, I will paste that content like what we did here. We copy, and here in this file authorize key I have pasted. So hope this is clear. There are two methods. ssh-keygen is same as copy ID, or either copy the public key, paste it in user's home directory. So currently I paste that key on root. Okay, if I do Amit @ it's prompting password. So what I will do, I can copy this key. Let me get copy this, and under /home amit.ssh authorize key is not there, so we'll get authorize underscore keys. Now we'll paste it. Okay, it's working. See, now Amit is also able to do SSH without using up any password. So this is how you can create a key and use it. Hope this is clear to you. If you are any question, any query, please use the comment box. I will try to help you. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.